I use Leadpages to grow my email list. I send organic and paid traffic to a Leadpage landing page. I give people a lead magnet such as an ebook or a PDF or a checklist, and in return they give me their email address. It's a great way of getting more subscribers. But how can you create your lead magnet and deliver it with Leadpages? So you have two options. Firstly, you can create a lead magnet, upload it to Leadpages, and let Leadpages send it to people who opt in with their email address on your landing page. Or alternatively, you can head into Leadpages and you can connect it to your email marketing software and then deliver your lead magnet through your email marketing software of choice. I use both options depending on the landing page in question, and I'll show you how they work. It's pretty easy to do. So head over to Leadpages and look for landing pages. Then click on Create New Landing Page, and now you can sort through all of the different landing pages that are available. So you're going to scroll down to page type, and then you're going to look for newsletter and sign up. And then you're going to find one that's relevant to whatever it is that you want to create or that you want to do. I'm going to pick one of these landing pages at random. So here's one here, beauty, makeup, newsletter, sign up. I'm going to click on start building. I'm going to give it a name. So let's just call this test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then Leadpages will take just a second to create the landing page. Now, once I'm inside, you can see here that there is an option for people to put their email address. So just click on this and then you can add an integration to one of your email service providers. So you can see here I've connected 2 ConvertKit accounts, and then your email service provider can deliver the lead magnet. Or alternatively, you can head over to Actions and then just simply add your lead magnet. And that's probably the easiest way to do it. Now I'll show you how all of this works inside of a lead page that I built earlier, which is helping me get several dozen subscribers every day. Here's a simple landing page that I created with Leadpages. I didn't customize the template too much. I just basically put in some text here, an image of a free book that I'm giving people who visit this page, and then somewhere that they can put their email address. Basically, I send Facebook traffic to this page, people get the free book, and in exchange, I get their email address. So how exactly am I delivering the free book? If I head into the Leadpages editor, I simply scroll down to the button that exists as part of the template. And then I'm going to click on Edit Pop-Up, and the pop-up will appear. So this is basically what appears when people click here. Now I get an option to do one of 2 things. So firstly, I can connect it to my ConvertKit account. So ConvertKit or Kit is the email service provider that I use. And basically, if they subscribe to a ConvertKit forum, they will receive the lead magnet or the free book. Or alternatively, I do have another option. So if I head over to Actions, and this is probably the easiest way to do it inside of Leadpages, I just simply look for Add Lead Magnet, and then I can select one of the lead magnets that I've created inside of Leadpages. And if I have a lead magnet that I haven't uploaded to Leadpages yet, I just simply click on the Add New Lead Magnet button. And then basically once somebody opts in to this, they will automatically receive the lead magnet once they've given over their email address. Now, at any time, I can go to the Leadpages dashboard and I can scroll down on the left-hand sidebar and look for lead magnets. And then if I click on lead magnets, I can see all of the different types of lead magnets that I've uploaded directly to Leadpages. And if I want, I can click on the pencil and I can customize the email subject line that they'll get when they opt in. I can customize the button text and I can also customize the sender email, or I can delete the lead magnet in question.